Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are pleased to offer this Royal Enfield Hunter 350. Registered the 10th of May 2023 on a 23 plate with 778 miles and presented in real black. The Hunter 350 is neo-retro roadster that mixes old-school charm with street-smart aesthetics that's adorned with easy-to-read LCD display and center stand. It's well-mannered and lovely to ride. If you're a new rider or returning to biking, then this could be the ideal candidate. This particular example also benefits from the remainder of the 3-year warranty and 3-year roadside assistance. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK. We also offer a wide range of finance. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee on all of our bikes. Warranty. For more information, please contact us on 01424 4448 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.